Let's get this money, man. Let's get this money. What's going on, man? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another video. It's your boy Clark back at it again with another video, man. Today we live streaming. Live trading. We're gonna see what we can find in the market, man. So right now, man, the market is pulling back. So we might see we have some short setup. Yesterday was pretty choppy yesterday. So hopefully we can see a good move in the market today. Let me make sure my audio coming in. Give me 1 second. I might need to turn my mic up a little bit. All right, mic check. All right, I think we good to go. All right, we got 2 minutes to the market over, man. Y'all know how we do, man. I find a trend. I wait for the trend. I find a containment candle, and that's when I get in my trades, man. That's my strategy. So I'm doing this. I basically journal my trades. I like to journal my trades every week so I can go back and look and see what I did wrong, anything I can fix. And I also want to start some kind of small community with the traders, man. I want to start a small community with the traders. So I'm going to be trading live every day, man. I do this every day. And why not go live and do this every day? Go live for an hour and a half every day, just show you guys what I do. And plus I can journal my own trades so I can go back and see what I did wrong. So we got 1 minute to the market open. 1 minute. How y'all been doing this week? It's Friday the 13th. We got about 30 seconds to the market open. Spot pulling back. Is the market open? The market is open. So we gonna watch these stocks. Stay patient. We're gonna stay patient. Watch these stocks. I do trade the S&P. I don't trade the NASDAQ. So right now I'm just scoping the market, seeing what's going on. Microsoft is dumping. SPY and QQQ is at all-time highs right now. So if we can get above all-time highs, as you can see, that green line and that dotted green line is my pre-market and my previous day high. If we can get above those levels and hold, we'll be watching every dollar move above those levels. But right now, QQQ is the only one that's up 3%, but it's look like it's rejecting off VWAP right now. But we still staying patient. AMD is under that 130 level. Amazon is approaching pre-market highs. just staying patient, baby. Staying patient. See what we can find today. NVIDIA is up 2% today. See what NVIDIA looking like. Oh my God, AMD is dumping. AMD is dumping. Let me show y'all what I'm looking at. I do have multiple screens pulled up, so don't mind me if I'm talking about something else, but eventually I'll put it right on this screen with you guys so you guys can see what I'm looking at also. Tesla pulling back a little bit. Big old wick on Amazon. Y'all see that wick on the 2-minute chart? Google. QQQ act like it want to hold and spike like want to hold, but it probably gonna run up to the highs and probably reverse. So I'm gonna stay patient. We don't have no big move from the S&P or the QQQ yet. Trying to figure out which direction they want to go today. NVIDIA in between weekly levels. We got AMD giving a small pullback. AMD giving a small pullback. Y'all see that right there? But once again, we're going to stay patient with AMD. QQQ kind of strong. Chill out. All right, AMD pulling back. Y'all see AMD? QQQ real strong. AMD is pulling back to previous day low. Apple is above highs. I'm about to slap these dogs, man. All right, let's go. Ooh, AMD got a good entry right there. But I'm not gonna do it because SPY and QQQ is strong right now. But I feel like SPY and QQQ is about to reverse. Ooh, that's an entry right there. Y'all see AMD 28. Let's see where AMD trying to go. QQQ. Okay, you want to go? QQQ want to go? Once again, I'm not in the trade, just staying patient right now. Most everything is at all-time high. Damn, look at Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla is pulling back. SPY don't know what it want to do yet. QQQ rejecting off of pre-market highs. Apple, if I can get a pullback, is Apple at all-time highs? Apple's at highs. Yeah, I'm gonna stay patient with Apple right now because it might hit that all-time high and reject, and I don't want to get caught in that. If Tesla can get under this previous day low or this pre-market low, I can find an entry to Tesla for puts. Yes, we do get money when the stock market goes up and when the stock market goes down. AMD, look at AMD. I just want to see AMD a little bit lower. Microsoft taking off. QQQ. QQQ rejecting. Oh, there's Microsoft. Microsoft. Amazon rejecting off of pre-market highs. Everything is rejecting right now. So we might see a slight reversal in the market, but we staying patient. AMD. Look at AMD. Go ahead. If AMD comes back and retest, which it looked like it tried to retest, but looked like it's still pulling back, I'll stay patient with that. QQQ, look at QQQ. QQQ gonna reject. If we can get a rejection off of SPY's all-time highs or QQQ all-time highs, as you can see that big wick right there on SPY. If we can get a big rejection and the price reverses, we could potentially find a short fill, but still staying patient. There's QQQ taking off. AMD still pulling back to previous day low. Apple. QQQ is taking off. Y'all see QQQ? SPY. Ooh. Is that what y'all want to do today? The bulls are in the market. QQQ is above previous day high and previous pre-market high. My bad, pre-market high. Apple is giving me an entry. Apple. You still staying patient. I'm not in any trade yet. Today looks like a great idea to have my 15-minute rule. I do have a 15-minute rule. Some days I don't see anything right off the bat when the market opens. And that's when I stay real patient. I usually wait 15 minutes before I even get in the market. Big rejection off of Meta. Big rejection off of Meta. Ooh, Meta. Ooh, Meta. See if we can find something. Staying patient because this might run up in reverse. So we're going to see. Staying patient as usual. Meta about to go. If I can get a pullback on QQQ and it stays above these highs, I'll find an entry. Microsoft. What you want to do, Microsoft, today? Microsoft is rejecting off of pre-market highs. Good move on SPY. Good move on SPY. Check out SPY. Meta still rejecting a small bit. If I can get a rejection, a break and retest of QQQ, we can find an entry. QQQ or SPY. I'll take QQQ or SPY. Look at Meta, man. Let me check Meta out right quick. What is Google doing today? Nothing at all. Netflix. Did Netflix pull back yesterday? I think it did. It's at all-time highs. Let's see. SPY is getting rejected. Apple retesting yesterday's high. Small pullback on QQQ. QQQ is holding pretty good. Yeah. I'm gonna load up QQQ. I got the 532 calls. But I'm gonna watch SPY and QQQ right now to see if I can get, if it rejects. So as you can see, we got our containment candle with QQQ right now. Right now it's pulling back. Everything is holding strong. So QQQ would be a good entry right here. My entry is coming up. Once it passes that red candle, I'm getting in. Let's go. It's coming up to it. Let's go, QQQ. What you want to do? SPY still rejecting. QQQ. All right, I'm in QQQ. My stop loss is below this red candle. If we get below that red candle, I'm getting out of everything. As you can see, it's rejecting right now. Might get faked out because SPY is rejecting right now. But we're going to see. My stop loss is below that candle. If we get stopped out, I can find another entry. But I'm holding until it hits my stop loss. And it's going back down. I just said it was going to reverse, didn't it? Oh, man. Let's go. It's touching my stop loss. Finger is on the trigger right now. All right, we rejecting a little bit. Finger is on the trigger right now. We down 20%. Yep. We probably want to reverse right now. Let's see. This SPY still weak. QQQ sitting right at my stop loss. It's holding, but let's see what it wants to do. All right, we got a little green right now. Still down 18%. SPY is rejecting. I do not like that. I do not like that. QQQ is holding. SPY is rejecting. QQQ is holding. Let's see where QQQ is trying to go. Turn my pivots on. My stop loss is right below this candle. SPY is bouncing off the 9 EMA. That's a good sign right there. QQQ, I'm still down 16%. What is everything else doing? Still holding QQQ. My stop loss is below this candle right here. Tesla reverse. I'm glad I didn't get in that put. QQQ rejecting a little bit. Rejecting those highs. But I like that it's holding right now, so we're just going to hold tight. Hopefully we can get a push. A good push. Bye. Let's go. Let's see what we want to do. Still in the trade, down 11%. We getting rejected a small bit. I don't like that at all. But we still holding. Still hasn't hit our stop loss. We are at all-time highs, so I'm keeping my stop real tight. SPY still rejecting. Hopefully SPY bounces off VWAP. I am down 16% right now. All right. QQ is hitting my stop, and I'm probably about to get out here in a sec. It keeps bouncing off. It's still holding, so I'm still in the trade. I'm not getting out till it hits my stop. It's at my stop right now. Let's see if we want to reject. I'm still holding, SPY is rejecting. Well, SPY rejecting like a mug. We're probably gonna get stopped out, but that's okay. I'm not in heavy. This is the first trade of the day. SPY is still holding my stop. We're probably about to get stopped out though. Yeah, we stopped out. Let me hold 1 second. Still holding. Yep, it's reversing. I'm about to get out right now. And we'll just find another entry. As you can see, how I held my stop. I bought it by my stop and everything reversing now. So we can wait for entry. Tesla rejecting. Netflix rejecting. That's my fault though. I just need to stop playing with them highs. But we good though. So now that we're rejecting, we are under the open price. So that's a great sign right there. Great bear sign right there. So if we can pull back and get an entry on SPY, we'll be good to go. It's still bouncing off this 9 EMA. As y'all can see, this green line right here, this is my 9 EMA. Everything is reversing right now. So I'm gonna just hold tight. We got 4 minutes and we will move on to the 5-minute candle. I like this spot right here. Under this open price. If we can get an entry on SPY puts, I will get in and have my stop loss at that open price level. Yeah, I like that spot right there. I might take this spot if we can get under this small consolidation right here. There we go. SPY still pulling back. It is holding under the 200 moving average. On the 5-minute, it's at the top of the 200 moving average. So if we can get under that 200 moving average, I can take a stab at it. Netflix is rejecting. QQQ is still holding. You staying patient, baby. What does the market want to do today? SPY still holding under that. Look at QQQ. Feel like I got in QQQ too damn early. See if we can get a rejection. If it rejects and hold under this 200 moving average, we might get an entry. Tesla. Look at Tesla. Netflix is looking good for puts. Netflix is looking good for puts. I might get some here in a minute. And I wanted to pass this pre-market low. I want Netflix to pass this pre-market low. Oh my God, SPY. Yeah, SPY about to reject. We can get under this 200 moving average right here, this orange line. We can get in SPY. I like QQ. I like Netflix also. It's under yesterday's low. It's holding under yesterday's low. So we can get lower, like under this pre-market low, we'll be good to go. SPY's there, there's SPY. There's SPY. Yeah. There we go, SPY. Go ahead. What you want to do, SPY? So we're going to go to the 5-minute chart because 10 o'clock, I just always go to the 5-minute chart. Give me some fresh, less candles than the 2-minute candles. Tesla is taking off. What is Amazon doing today? Nothing at all. Oh, look at Netflix. I like Netflix, man. I want to get under this pre-market low. We get under that pre-market low, we off to the races. There we go, SPY. Damn, I should have got in SPY. Fuck. Oh, man. Netflix going too. I'm about to get in Netflix. But I just want to see a cleaner move. I should have got in SPY, man. What was I thinking? I was just talking myself through it, bro. Look at SPY. SPY holds under this 200 moving average. We can find an entry. Look like it's trying to fill the gap. It's bouncing off the 200 moving average. Microsoft is rejecting. Netflix still kind of playing around a little bit. Google is rejecting off of pre-market highs. That Netflix looks so good. But I wanted to get under pre-market low. So SPY rejected off the 200 moving average. Look at AMD. Look at Microsoft. AMD. Let's see what AMD. AMD just retested that level. I do not like how SPY is moving, bro. You gonna go or what? Look at Microsoft. We're gonna let the market make the move, and then we'll find an entry. Let the market make the move. Netflix is holding that. Netflix is holding yesterday's low. SPY holding under. Yeah, it is holding. I might get an entry on SPY here because it is holding. I don't think it's gonna bounce back. It's under the 9 EMA, so I'm gonna get a small entry here on SPY just because on my 2-minute it's under the open price, it's under the 9 EMA, and it's passing my candle. I can use the 9 EMA as a stop. Let's see what we gonna do. What you want to do, SPY? Look at Microsoft, Tesla. It's Tesla. What Tesla want to go today? Let's go, SPY. What you want to do, SPY? You're already rejected. We holding open price. We holding 9 EMA. We under all of that. You got nowhere else to go, SPY. Let's go. Everything is rejected. Netflix did exactly what I just said. Meta is doing what I said. We are 4% up right now. There we go, 5%. Let's go. First profit target is this pivot right here. Then I'll hold the rest of the contracts. Let's go, SPY. There we go. There we go. We're going to hold right here. We up 7% right now. This is a pivot level, so I'm just hold tight right here. There we go. We up 10%. There we go, SPY. That 13%. There we go, SPY. I'm gonna take a small trim. All right. There we go, SPY. There is 15%. Let's go. 18%. Let's go. Let's go. 20%. I'm gonna take a little bit off right here. I'm only got runners in right now. I only got runners in right now. What you want to do, SPY? Let's go, SPY. All right. The rest of my contract stop loss is I got runners in. I'm up 22%. There we go, SPY. There we go, SPY. I'm up 22%. My stop loss is going to be break even, which is right about here. SPY might reject and pivot, but if we don't, we just going to keep going down. We up 22% still right now. We up 22%. We under VWAP. We under the 9 EMA. SPY, we ain't got nowhere else to go, baby. This is a pivot right here, so it could pivot and hit my stop loss. If it does that, we'll just get out. My stop right now is break even. Stop loss right now is break even. Let's go, SPY. You ain't got nowhere to go. You under the 9 EMA. It's at that pivot point, though. I don't like that. We're still up 6% right now on the runners. Just holding tight. Still pulling back. Tesla taking off. Y'all see Tesla? All right, SPY. Rejecting a little bit. Gonna hold tight. Let's see if we can get under. If this hits my stop, I'm out of here. Let's see. Look at Tesla. Let's see what you want to do today, SPY. A lot of this is watching, man. A lot of this is just watching these markets, man. Watching these stocks. Once you get in the trade, you just watch. You know what I'm saying? SPY is at my break even point right now. I'm still up 4% right now. SPY is at break even. Still up 4%. Still up 3%. Come on, SPY. All right, I'm gonna get out of SPY. If I can get another entry, we'll get back in. Hopefully, it probably gonna bounce off of that 9 EMA. If it bounces off that 9 EMA, I'll get back in. But it hit my damn Netflix. I knew it. Why do I keep playing with Netflix? Why do I keep playing with Netflix? And look at SPY, it's rejected. Yep. QQQ is bouncing off a pre-market high. AMD pulling back. Tesla's taking off. If Tesla can pass yesterday's high and hold that level, we might have a new high on Tesla if it can get above those highs. Apple is very weak. SPY about to go. You about to go again, SPY? Or what you gonna do? I'll wait for SPY to get under that pivot. It's reversing again. Get QQQ. That was a good exit on SPY. We got 22% out of it. As you can see, that first trade I took, it was small loss. As you can see, came back with SPY 20, 22, 23%, something like that. Look like you want to be choppy today again. Tesla is taking off. I might have to find an entry in Tesla, man. AMD weak. SPY. There's SPY. Rejecting off of that 9 EMA. If we can get past that, I'll get another entry on SPY. There it is. There we go. I'm in SPY right now. What you want to do, SPY? SPY is very weak. See that big wick right there? That's how you know SPY is very weak. Going back up and retesting SPY. My stop loss is behind this candle right here, basically the 200 MA. That's my stop loss. My stop loss is the 605.95 level. As you can see, QQQ trying to go back up. You need a rejection. SPY is weak, man. Come on, SPY. Let's go. SPY is very weak. We need you, SPY. I'm down 4% right now. It's holding pretty good right now. I could have waited on my entry, but let's see what SPY wants to do. My stop loss is this 200 MA. That orange line right there, that is my stop loss. Look at QQQ. It's downtrending. All right, SPY, what you want to do? You gonna go or what? Let's go. We got the 200 MA sitting on top. We got the 9 MA. You under VWAP. You ain't got nowhere else to go, SPY. Oh, look at Apple. We just holding. We holding tight. I'm down 8% right now. I knew Tesla. Oh, Tesla getting rejected a little bit. All right, SPY. There we go. There we go, SPY. Go ahead, SPY. We up 5%. Rejecting off of that pivot a little bit. We can get under this pivot. We off to the races. SPY 604 level is pretty heavy. I'm up 2% right now. There we go, SPY. Go, 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 go. You gonna go or what, baby? You ain't got nowhere else to go. You weak. You real weak, SPY. There we go. 12%. There we go. There we go. We up 16%. I'm gonna take a small trim. All right. I'm gonna hold these runners. My stop loss is break even. Break even is about right here. That's where my stop loss is. I took about 75% of my contracts out. I got a couple runners. This next candle should take off. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go, SPY. Go ahead. What you gonna do? We up 18% right now. We just got runners in. My stop loss is break even. That white line right there. SPY is very weak. We still up 15%. As you can see, it's wicking off that pivot right there. We just watching. SPY real weak right now. Look at Tesla. Oh my God. That's an entry on Tesla right there. SPY is still weak though. We can get under this low of day, 605.07. We can do a little something. I'm up 21% right now. And God, that's what I look for today. I look for 20, 30, 40%. I don't look for 100% trade. Look at Tesla. I don't look for 100% trades. You know what I'm saying? 20, 30, 40%. That's a good day for me. You know what I mean? The object of the game, you leverage how much you're going to be feeling comfortable with. I want to get up from here and I'll be like, all right, I'm good for the day. You know what I'm saying? SPY still weak. Y'all see that? We still up 18%. As y'all can see, that's two 20% trades I just got. Two 20% trades. All on SPY. A lot of people act like you got to have a certain strategy, or people act like you don't know what you're doing. But hey, if I'm showing you live that I'm getting 20%. I'm showing you this shit live. I'm getting 20%. You can't say I don't know what I'm doing. And that's a lot of people won't get on these charts. The charts is the key to this shit. You got to get on them charts, man. You got to learn them charts. It took me about, I'm not going to lie, it took me about a good 6-7 months faithfully on these charts to really get it down pat. And I haven't learned everything. I ain't gonna say I learned everything. I still learn every day, but I can get in the market and get 20%. You know what I'm saying? If I use $10,000, 20% of $10,000 is what? That's a good day, right? Exactly. We still up 18%. SPY is still weak right now. As y'all can see how this green candle volume, these candles are down here is the volume. When it pulls back, if those green candles are smaller than those red candles, that's how you know the volume of the bears are in control. Bears mean the price is going down. The volume of the bears are in control. I'm still up 17%. Let's see what SPY want to do. I'm just holding. No reason to get out. No reason to get out this trade. Still sitting at 18%. Tesla. Look at Tesla. And no, I don't get in like 2 or 3 trades at once. I have before, but in the past, I just realized that I'd rather my mind focus on one thing. I'd rather use more money on one trade on a better setup. You know what I'm saying? Rather than trying to trade 2 charts at the same time. I'd rather use more money on one trade that's a great setup. And as you can see, we talked all through this trade right here. SPY was rejecting open price level. That's that yellow line right there. SPY was also under this 9 EMA. SPY is also under this pivot point. If you want to know all these indicators, y'all check out some of my videos. I show you guys all of these indicators and show you exactly how to put it on your chart. Now let's see what SPY want to do. It should go right now. It should go right now. That counter right there, that counter basically means the bears and the bulls were basically in a fight. They couldn't figure out who wanted to do what, but at the end, the bears got a little momentum, but they still aren't as big as the bears. So the bears should take control right now. As you can see, this chart is about to go down right now. It should go down on this candle. I'm up 21% right now. And I do have runners in. I got runners in. I got in right here at this white line, the pass of that candle, that bounce off of that 9 EMA. Let's go, SPY. What you want to do? If we get a push here, I'm going to move my stop to this pivot point. And behind this green candle, that's where I'm going to move my stop to. So I do move my stop down. There's SPY right there. We're at 23% right now. I do move my stop down as the chart goes down. You know what I'm saying? I use my stop down. We at 26%. I move my stop down. There we go, SPY. I move my stop down just to make sure I can get the most out of the trade. You know what I'm saying? So my stop would probably be right here at the back of this counter or where this consolidation broke a little bit. We up 31% right now. There we go, SPY. We under that pivot point. SPY. Let's go. SPY rejected a little bit. SPY probably rejected toward that 604 level. That is a strong level, that 604 level. But I'm still in runners. Stop loss is break even. Stop loss break even. My break even is at that white line right there. If we can get a more of a bigger push, I will move my stop down to this pivot point, but we ain't got no push yet. Look at SMCI. AMD reverse. Name of the game is stay patient. I might be reversing off of this 604 level. But if it hit my stop, it's cool. We'll just get out. NVIDIA. SPY's reversing back right now. My stop is this pivot point. My stop is going to be this pivot point right here. If we can break and hold over that pivot point, I'm going to get out. Still up 7%. Yeah, I'm going to move my stop to that pivot point right there. The 604 is a big level. 604 has been bouncing all week. And it's been holding that level. I think it held that level yesterday before the gap up. So we're going to see. If we can keep getting rejected off of that pivot, we should be in the money. Let's hold tight though. I'm gonna stay with my stop above that pivot. If we get above that pivot, I'm out. I just take my 9% profit. So we back down. We back up 16%. I like that rejection that we just saw. There we go. There we go. Let's go, SPY. We up 28% right now. QQQ rejecting. Look at that. QQQ. NVIDIA rejecting. We up 28% still. Tesla pulling back a little bit. Amazon like it want to reverse. I like how SPY held under that pivot for the next 5-minute candle. Ooh, look at Netflix. I told you guys Netflix was gonna do that. I said it. I said Netflix is finna dump. I should have got in. You know, Netflix did that to me last time. I seen the setup and I was like, Netflix just moves so weird to me to where I don't even want to get in sometimes. But next time I see Netflix setting up, I'm getting in. All right, SPY's pulling back. It's at my stop right here. I'm still up 5%, but if it can get above this pivot, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm up 13% right now. Come on, SPY. Don't reverse on me, SPY. QQQ reversed. Hopefully QQQ can tap that VWAP and keep heading down. I think the market wants to pull back today. I think it wants to bounce today. And guys, I do these live just for my journal, just to do this stuff on Saturdays. I go and look at all of my live and see. This not the first time I've done it. I do this all the time in the video. I just don't go live, but I started doing it. And I was just like, might as well go live and show people what I'm doing. You see, I just got 20% trade. The first trade I lost, that was like probably a 10% loss, but I came right back to 20% trade on SPY. And we still in this trade, and we still in the second trade. We still up 18%, and we getting rejected off of that pivot right there. Let's go, SPY. I like what I see. I like what I see, SPY. Go ahead and dump it. Go ahead and dump under this 604 level. We get under this 604 level, we off to the races, baby. We going to 600 if we get under this 604 level. But I'm going to hold tight. Meta giving a pullback. Ooh, that's a good entry right there. Y'all see Meta? That's a good entry. You can enter that and have your stop loss above that 625 level. We up 21% right now. Ooh, Meta got a good entry, but I'm not gonna get into it. Like I said, I don't like being in I don't like being in two trades at once. I'd rather use more money, use more leverage, and get in a better trade. And I just watch that trade. Maybe in the future I'll do that, but right now I like focusing on one trade, man. Ooh, NVIDIA. All right, SPY. You gonna go with what? It's holding that level, boy. Holding that 605 level. We need 604. We need 604. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get in Tesla, but that's a nice move right there. We're still up 26%. Oh, there's SPY. Damn. May not SPY Tesla. I just was talking shit about it, wasn't it? Damn, Tesla. That's a good entry right there. But it's probably gonna retest that yesterday's highs if it wants to go that way. We're still up 26%. Come on, SPY. You ain't gonna give me no more? Friday the 13th, SPY. There you go, SPY. Come on now. Get down there. You're getting rejected. You have nowhere else to go. Still up 23%. That's a great entry on Tesla. If any of y'all trading Tesla, that's a great entry right there. Netflix bouncing off of open price. Looks like it's about to head down. QQQ is bouncing off of VWAP. Look like it's about to head down. SPY still playing around in this consolidation right here. Kind of flagging a little bit. As you can see, a small kind of flag, a bear flag. Usually bear flag, we usually keep going down. As you can see, now we have a trend line forming right there. We should keep going down, hopefully. Let's see. But that's a nice flag setup right there. Come on, SPY. Come on to me, baby. You had a long week, SPY. You had a long week. We still up 21%. I'm still in the trade. There's no reason to get out. I'm just in runners. Still up 26%. SPY is weak as hell. And I think we about to dump. But it's still holding that 604 level. Let me see how strong that 604 level is. SPY is weak. You got a dump, SPY. You got nowhere to go. Come on, SPY. Still holding. There we go, SPY. There we go. I like that. We still in runners. Runners are up 33% right now. Go ahead, SPY. Get down there. 31%. Everything got to be pulling back right now. This is a great chart on SPY. This is actually a great example of a bearish day and an entry point. There we go, SPY. I walked y'all through all of this. We up 40% right now. We jumped right back to 36, 33, 31. %33 right now. We up. Look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Come on, SPY. Get on down there, SPY. You ain't got no reason to reverse today. It's Friday. There we go. Come on, SPY. We up 35% right now. I told you, look at Netflix. Netflix doing exactly what I just said. It's going to bounce off of that open price and keep going down. We got 45 seconds on this candle. Hopefully this next candle, we can get it on down. Still up 33%. It can't get no better than this, though. Live trading, you can't cap this. You can't cap live trading. $14 seconds on this candle. We still up 34%. Let's go, SPY. Get on down there. SPY sitting at the 604 level, man. It could pivot back right now because 604 is a strong level. I'm at 36% right now. 604 is a strong level. But if we keep tapping at it, we're going to break the ice. There we go. There we go, SPY. What I tell y'all? What I tell y'all? What I tell y'all? What I tell you? We up 54% right now. 54%. I'm moving my stop down to this candle probably. My stop is probably going to be down to this consolidation. There we go, SPY. We up 57%. If we can get under yesterday's low, we're going to be good. Let's go, SPY. Let's go, SPY. We up 88%. I'm taking profit. I'm taking profit. I'm taking profit. I'm taking profits. I'm good with that, baby. I'm good with that, baby. We up 88%. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I like to see. Ooh, I should have stayed in a little bit more. But I'm good with that 80%. I don't get 80% every day. Last time I got 80% was probably last week. I usually get 20s and 40s. Like I said, all I need is that. You know what I'm saying? You see how it's rejected now? See, if I would have sat there, I could have left a couple runners, but I'm good. I'm good with that. I'm good with that 80%. And it's looking real good right now. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, I just showed y'all. I'm kind of giving y'all the cheat code on the low. Look at SPY. I'm kind of giving y'all the cheat code on the low. First trade, negative 10%. Second trade, I got 22%. Third trade, 88%. You can't say I'm capping. You can't say I'm capping. You can't say I'm capping. I took my profit at 80%. It's probably still going to go, but hey, I'm good. I'm good with that. So now that we know the trend of the day, it's only 10:42. Guess what? We still got more time to trade, but we already seen a big move in the market. So let's see if we can find something that haven't dumped yet, all the way fully yet. Everything just dumped. Meta dumped. Netflix dumped. SPY dumped. That's what I was waiting on. That's all I was waiting on. I got my 80%. I got up out of there. That's how you got to be. Guys, I done got burned so many times. Check me. I done been down. I should have waited for a green candle. I kind of got out too early, but it's all good. I done got burned so many times, pricing and rejected and went right back up. I'd rather go ahead and take my 80% and get out. I'm out fully. Y'all just seen that live. 88% on SPY. SPY puts. Yes, you can make money when the market is going up or down. You can make money when the market is going up or down. Y'all look at the video. Oh my God. Dang, SPY. Oh man. I should have full ported SPY today. Nah, I don't never do that, but this was a good day to full port SPY, boy. We would have been having a good one. We still gonna have a good weekend, but we would have had a great weekend. 88% on SPY. Dang. I knew it was pulling back. I said SPY's about to fill that gap. Beautiful chart on SPY. Look at this chart. Let me open this chart. Look at this SPY chart. I walk y'all through all of this. I seen it rejecting off an open price. I seen it holding under the 200 moving average. Just like I talk about in my videos. I just did it live for you guys. It passed the 200 moving average right here. It rejected. It went up back. It went back and retested on this candle right here, that 10-10 candle. I am on a 5-minute chart. It rejected off of this 200 moving average. This 200 moving average is one of my indicators. If you want to know about the indicator, let me know in the comments. I give the settings and everything to it. I'm just trying to help you guys, man. When I was learning this shit, I ain't know nothing. I was learning this shit on my own. I ain't have nobody to help me. So I'd rather just help somebody that needs some help. Not saying I'm a guru or anything, but as you can see, I know something. I know what the fuck. I know how to get 20%, 30% in the market, and I just got 80% live in your face. You know what I'm saying? Y'all hit me a like. Give me a like, man. But yeah, so price went up, rejected off of yesterday's high. That green line right there is yesterday's high. Price went, and I marked these levels before the market even opens. I marked this level yesterday when the market closed. And SPY is pulling back. It might give me another entry. But if we get under, oh my God, we under 604 level. If we can hold right there, I'll get in again. So SPY went up, touched yesterday's high, and if you can go back to the beginning of the video, I said SPY is finna probably go up to all-time highs and reject, like I just said, and it did exactly what I said. It retested the 200 MA. That's this line right there. It tapped the 90 MA. That's this green line running. So this green line running at 90 MA, it is, if you see candles under that green 9 EMA, that means we're bearish for that trend or that time of the day right there. If you see candles sitting on top of the green, like, let me show y'all, like right here. You see that? The candle is sitting on top of that green 9 EMA. That means we are in a bull market. So anytime candles are sitting on top of that 9 EMA, we're in a bull market. So you need to be in calls. As you can see, I was in puts because the price is going down. It rejected off of 200 MA, 200 moving average. It rejected off of 200 moving average. And I got in right at the pass of this candle right there. My stop loss, I kept saying my stop loss was behind that candle, or basically the 200 moving average. I held 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. On the 30 minute I held, it dumped 80%. Right now it's retesting yesterday's lows. I marked this yesterday's lows yesterday. This red line, that's yesterday's lows. It's retesting yesterday's lows. So if it can retest these lows and I can use my Fibonacci. Damn, I'm giving y'all some cheat codes. I'll give y'all some cheat codes, man. I paid a lot of money for this training shit that I know, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it to y'all because I don't care. If you use your Fibonacci, they're gonna bring our Fibonacci down. So you're gonna use your Fibonacci from the highest of where the price started to come down. So as you can see, we're getting rejected off of this 236 level. As you can see, that green candle, this is live. This is live. The market is open right now. It is 10:48. 11 o'clock, we're going to move to the 10-minute candle, but I'm just showing you on this 5-minute candle. It's getting rejected off at 236 level. If it gets rejected off that 236 level, it is the strongest level, and that chart can keep going a good amount down. But to be honest, I might be done because I got 80% and I'm good. I'm good for the day. But if the opportunity presents itself, you already know what's up. But yeah, if it gets rejected off its 0.382 level, it can have a good move down. Now that's why I got these two levels marked red. Now, anything that gets rejected off of like that 0.5, 0.6, the trend is gonna be real slow. You probably don't want to get into it. But anything that rejects off the 236 and the 382, you're gonna have a nice little good trend. Now, I've done this plenty of times. It works 75, 80% of the time. Sometimes you're gonna get burned. It's part of the market. Sometimes you're gonna lose, and that's what you got to understand. Sometimes you're gonna lose. But y'all just see me live get 80%. You know what I'm saying? I took that first L, a little small 10% loss, and I came back with another 22% and another 80%. So yeah, that's just another example. That's my Fibonacci, Fib retracement. I love that tool right there, that Fib retracement. But yeah, SPY is pulling back. SPY is retesting that and it's finna pull back to the 9 EMA. I might get another entry on SPY, man. I might get another entry on SPY. If we can get under this pre-market low, I might get another entry on SPY. But as y'all can see, I should have got in right there. SPY is going down to 200, man. SPY is going to 200. Let me pull my pivots up and see where SPY going to. Yeah. That's a nice entry right there. Y'all see that? You see how it's passing the containment candle? It's about to pass the containment candle. That's a nice entry. Oh, man. But if you wanted to get in, you probably would have should have got in right when it bounced off a lower day. See how it's finna pass that candle now? That's an entry right there. Guess your entry right there. Stop loss is above the low of day. If you go back to lower day, get out 604.30. There it is. SPY is going. SPY is about to dump. SPY is about to dump. There it goes. Damn, SPY. Go ahead, SPY. Rejecting a little bit. Let me pull QQQ back up. See what QQQ doing. Basically the same thing. 80% on SPY. I did not know I was gonna hit an 80% trade today, but hey, I'll take it. Meta pulled back. Meta is giving an entry. Look at Meta. Oh my God. I'm about to show y'all in a minute. Ooh, Meta. Damn. Meta. Everything is bearish. Everything. Meta taking off. Oh my God. I should have got it Meta. I bet you SPY dumping too. I ain't gonna do it though. Oh, Nvidia, you look good too. Ooh, woo. And you holding my 140 level. You under my 140 level. You been under my 140 level in the video. Why you ain't say nothing? What is it about to be? 1054. SPY is rejecting a little bit. SPY is rejecting a little bit. Let's see. SPY hit that pivot right here. It might keep going. Let's see. AMD gone. Nvidia pulling back. Oh my God. I got burned on a setup just like this the other day. It looks so good. Let me show y'all this. Where is Nvidia? Oh, here it is. All right, so that blue line right there, that's a weekly level that I mark on my chart. Look at the video about to take off. SPY is bouncing. SPY is bouncing. Y'all see SPY? If it wick off that, if it wick off previous day low, oh yeah, I'm definitely getting in. Oh yeah, SPY. I like that. Yeah, you seen the video right there? I got in an entry like that the other day on the video. I got burned. That shit reversed so quick. Oh, look at QQ. Q setting up off the 200 in, off the 200 moving average too. QQQ setting up off the 200 moving average. Look at that. What do I want? SPY QQQ. What I want? SPY QQQ. Puts. QQ already gone. All right, I'm in SPY. Give me 1 second. I ain't in yet. Give me 1 second. It's holding this level though. I like that. I'm not in yet. I'm at the 604 strike call 0 DT. Not in yet. Waiting for this candle to pass. Waiting for this candle to pass that candle. And I know we are going to keep it moving. It's probably going to go down to this 600 level. Is it still at a pivot? Let me see. Yeah, it's still at that pivot. So I needed to pass that. I needed to pass that pivot and we can get in. Let's see. The video doing exactly what I just said. What you gonna do, Spy? You gonna go, Spy, or what? Go ahead, Spy. QQQ going. You don't want to go? We can get past this consolidation. I can get an entry. There we go. Keep it going. Go ahead, Spy. Still holding. Spy don't want me to be great. All right. Let's go, Spy. $37 seconds on this candle. It's almost at my entry. Still hasn't passed. See how I haven't passed this candle yet? I'm waiting for it to pass this candle. I'm in. Hasn't passed yet, but it's about to right now. Still bouncing. It's holding the hell out of 603.48. It's at this consolidation right here. Y'all see that? That's where it's at right now. Damn, the video. There's my entry. There we go. All right, we rejecting a little bit. Still ain't in yet. I want to see a dump. And it's rejecting. It's at that consolidation over that I just showed you guys. See how it's rejecting off of that consolidation? This consolidation right here. That's what it's playing around, that level right there. So we need to get under 603 so it can get out of this consolidation right here. That previous consolidation right there. Let me go to the 1 hour. Yep. We need to get under that. And it look like we about to go right now. There we are. They get going right now. Damn. All right. Let's see if I can get in. I ain't gonna lie, I waited too late. But that's a great entry right there. Damn. That's a great entry right there. It's holding both levels. It's under the level. That's a great entry. I didn't get it. I didn't get in though. I was scared. I ain't gonna count. Nah, I ain't playing. I'm cool with my 80 though. My 88%. Damn, the video. See, it's still playing around that level. Yeah, I want to under that 60307 level, that last consolidation, and when it consolidated right here, if we can pass this consolidation 60312, because I don't want anything reversing right there. Because you see what it did last time at this level? it took off. You know what I'm saying? So I want to get under that 603. And as you can see, it's rejecting that big wick right there. It rejected. So that's kind of a great reason. That's a great way to not get into that trade. Because I did see that consolidation over there. And I want the candle to pass that consolidation before I get in. Because once we pass that consolidation, there's nothing else down there that can hold up the candles. But it still was a nice entry though. If you okay with holding, damn, I should have got in there. Now I think about it, that's containment candle right there. Shh. All right, it's 11 o'clock. We're going to the 10-minute chart. 10-minute chart. 10-minute charts. Let's pull up QQQ. We're going to the 10-minute chart. And we just looking. Yeah. I like to get my trades in early, man. So when it get by 11, I already made my money for the day. Now all I'm doing is watching the charts. You know what I'm saying? If I see a great entry, I get in, but I already made my money for the day. I'm cool with what I made today. I can wait till Monday. You know what I'm saying? To get back into the market. That's how you save your gains. You know what I'm saying? Like, look, SPY ain't really went nowhere. It already did the move it wanted to do up here when we got in. So if I would have got in on that second time, I probably wouldn't have did nothing, but I probably would have got 10%. You ain't gonna get no 88% like we just got. You know what I'm saying? Google. The video. Man, there's a lot of opportunities in the market today, especially if you know how to play puts. If you ain't make no money today, I don't know what to tell you. See, right now, to be honest, I would have made that 80%, and I would have logged off for the day. That would have been it. I would have been back in the market Monday. But for the sake of y'all, I just sit here and watch the market for a couple more minutes. You know what I'm saying? See, I'll probably be out and about at the damn Home Depot, the Lowe's somewhere trying to find something to buy. I'm always trying to build something. Always outside working on the cars, my truck. You know what I'm saying? It just be a light day. As you can see, I've been sitting here for what? Maybe an hour and a half. And we done with work for the day. You know what I'm saying? It's 11:06. I'm probably about to enjoy my day. You know what I'm saying? We made what we made today. I ain't on no clock. I ain't got no boss. Ain't nobody finna tell me you going home at this time. I'm probably about to go live on TikTok and play NCAA or something. You know what I'm saying? But we done for the day, man. Got a 20% trade. We got an 80%, 88% trade. We lost. The first trade we took was a small 10% loss. And we good to go, baby. But man, y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Clark, man. I'll be back Monday live, 9:25. We'll be live. We're gonna do this again and again every day. Every day I'm on this. Ooh, Google is giving a good entry. Let me show y'all this real quick. NVIDIA still dumping. Ooh, woo. If you got in that, boy, I should have. Yeah, I'm straight. Where is NVIDIA? Look at NVIDIA. Yeah, let me get off these charts before I make a mistake today. But all right, guys, man, I'm gonna be live bright and early Monday morning, man. I'll probably drop a video this weekend. Man, we doing this every day, man. This is what we gonna do. I'm trying to build a small community, man. See if we can get a small group of some traders, man, because ain't nothing like having more than one eyes on the market with you at the same time trading. You know what I'm saying? We all get money. You know what I'm saying? Everybody don't do this. So I want us to build a small community, and why not use my YouTube to build a small community, man? So hit that like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Clark. I'll be live Monday morning. What Monday is? Monday is the 16th. I'll be live Monday 16th. Might drop a video this weekend. Probably go over this trade I just had 88% on. And I know people ain't gonna believe me, but they can go back to the live and see. But y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Clark, man, and I'm out of here.